My name is John Mitchell. I'm with Clear Choice Wastewater Treatment Systems. I've been in the waste hauling industry for over 25 years. I've pumped anything from septage to grease traps to oil water to portable toilet waste. I'm also sitting on the board of Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, the OWAC committee, which is the On-Site Wastewater Advisory Committee. I am also on the board of directors for the Arizona On-Site Recycling Association. The electric coagulation system is very unique as one, it takes a very small footprint. It's a very green project. We actually recycle our own treated water as opposed to using potable water. Essentially what happens is the septic trucks move into what we call the septic receiving station. They dump into there. It goes through a grinding pump phase where it grinds everything up, and then it sends it to what we call a step screen, a MEVA screen. The MEVA screen screens out all the heavy material out of the waste, puts it into a bagging system. It then goes from the equalization tank into the cell itself. The cell is the holy grail, if you will, of treatment. The treatment happens at about 50 gallons per minute inside of the cell. It's a very rapid treatment as opposed to biological 30-day retention, aeration, and stuff like that. It goes from the cell into what we call a vacuum clarifier. The vacuum clarifier essentially will take the flock, the suspended particles, vacuum off the top, and essentially what we have left is the clarified water. The clarified water is then discharged into a sanitary sewer as a pre-treatment. The beauty of the electric coagulation plant is what we call the PLC. It's Prologic Control. The PLC controls every aspect from the pumps to the cell to the power dosing to monitoring the levels in several tanks. It's a touch screen, computer screen that you can touch and make adjustments manually if you're in the plant itself. But the beauty of this one is as long as it has internet access, you can remotely go onto this system and make adjustments. If something happens today, an alarm goes off on the system, we'll have upwards to 5 different engineers that will immediately be notified by their cell phones or by their computers that something's up. They'll immediately go to it, they can log on to it, they can log right into our system, and they can make the adjustments within minutes from right there at their laptop. Clear Choice and Leadcore offer a no capital cost system, and let me explain that to you. What it is, if you meet our minimum requirements, we're going to come to you and we're going to send our LMC to your facility and we're going to test your water first to see what's in your water and see if it can be treated with our system. Once we send our mobile laboratory into the facility, then we put the pencil to it, we bring our big facility to the site, and then we start treating for you. Essentially, you will not put a dime out of your pocket. We'll do the permitting for you. We will do the infrastructure for you. We will do everything. We're one-stop shopping. All you have to do is bring us the septage and we charge you so much per gallon. It is a win-win by far in this industry. Electric coagulation has completely changed the way we do business now. Years ago, we had the biological treatment plants. Today we have electrochemistry, which is electrocoagulation. We're driving less miles. We're actually treating the product. We're using less fuel. We have less labor. What does this mean for the average pumping company? Well, it means a lot of dollars in your pocket. Again, less travel. You're able to dump locally. You're able to bring in competitors if you wish to your facility and make extra money that way. It's an extreme green product. We use our own recycled water for the thinning of the septage sometimes. It's a total green product. So for the septic guy in the United States today, this is a win-win because we know how hard it is to go to the municipalities right now and get rid of our waste. It's terrible. They're turning us away. So that's why this electrocoagulation system has been so beneficial to us, and I think it's going to be the wave of the future. Let me summarize this for you. It's easy to use, it's fully automated, and it is going to save you a tremendous amount of money.